Sammy, what happened?
Voila, Fan Duck.
Could you be more specific? I don't quite get it.
It's a popular duck that crashed TikTok.
I've heard about that. So what?
Well, I wanted to order this toy.
And
there is not one left. Nowhere at all. They say that Lala Fan Ducks are sold out.
I see. Well, maybe this time you'll buy something else?
But I don't want something else. I only want Lala Fan Duck.
Okay, don't get whiny. I have an idea. Will a bag in the form of this duck suit you?
Of course! But where can I get it?
We will make it ourselves. Let's go!
Woohoo!
Hey guys, as you've already guessed, Sammy really wants to get this duck.
Maybe we can transform my ducky into Lala Fan. What do you think, Sue?
No, Sammy, we decided to make a bag. Or did you change your mind?
Then I'm going to be watching you through this glass so you do everything right.
This glass, as you called it, is for the main part of the bag. We should cut out equal circles from it.
I know how! I'll bring the right size plate! Just wait a sec.
Okay, I'll wait. Take a walk, maybe. I don't even remember when I was just strolling. Oh, my feta! What's up? I'm afraid Sammy has broken something. Again.
And here I am! The world's most famous circus acrobat on a plate!
Sammy, watch out! You may fall down. What will you do without my assistance?
Art requires sacrifice, and I am very careful. Sometimes.
Okay, we'll discuss that later. I'll circle the plate first. Hey, why doesn't this pin right?
I'm not here, no one sees me, I have to go!
Sammy, what did you do to this pin? Was it all your experiments again?
Just breathe, Sue! I will bring you a marker! Wait a bit!
Just once I left my pins and markers in plain sight and Sammy decided to get creative.
Sue, relax! Here's a marker for you! It'll be even more convenient.
Okay, but don't take my stuff anymore without asking. And better use your own pins.
But you definitely don't need this pin anymore! I have plans for it!
Sammy, stop taking my stuff. Or when we'll finish the Lala Fan bag, I'll keep it for myself.
Truce! Truce! I really want this bag! Don't take it away from me!
Sammy, I was just kidding! Come on, get here and help me.
Sure thing, Sue! For example, I can take the plate back to the kitchen!
In the meantime, I'll cut these out. Boom! Done!
Sue, I'm already here! What have you broken? That's my prerogative!
Sammy, I didn't break anything! I just cut out these 2 circles.
Phew, Sue! You scared me! Let's concentrate on the bag!
I already did that! Check this out! It's like you're sitting inside the bag. Now we can start working on the next piece for it. I chose this yarn with loops for our bag. I love its color and softness.
Sue, look! A great hat will come out of this circle!
Maybe. Could you actually bring me the hole punch while I measure the distance between the loops?
Sue, I don't get it! Do you want to make more holes in the yarn or something?
No, I need it for the circle. Look, I've already marked where we should make the openings. And now we'll pierce the circle nice and easy. 1, 2, 3…
Sue, I've got it! The circle can be used as a pond for my duck!
Sammy, it seems to me that your duck keeps competing with Lala Fan. Don't you think so?
I don't know. I think the ducky just wants to help us make the bag.
Whatever you say. And I'm going to speed up a bit here. Whoosh! It's much better this way. And now let's start weaving. We need to insert the loops into these openings.
Good macaroons! I want to try that too! I must succeed!
I don't doubt you for a second. Only look carefully how it should be done.
Check this out! I have everything ready! I definitely did it right!
No, Sammy, you did it wrong. Look at how I did it and compare it with yours.
Interesting. I think you may be right, Sue. So what are you gonna do about it now?
I will weave on. To make a bag, it's not enough to just insert the loops into the openings.
Let me help. I'll be holding the yarn so you can take as much as you need.
Thanks, Sammy. Hold on. I'm going to pull now.
Whoa!
Check this out, Sammy. I've made the first row. This pattern will be on the whole bag.
My ducky approves. She says we will have a perfect La Fan Fan bag.
Wonderful! Then let me continue. Everything will not appear by magic, you know.
Magic? How can I forget that I have a perfectly working magic wand?
Great! Then take a look at how I've done everything and repeat the same with the second circle.
Good! Then it's time for some magic! Abracadabra! Weave the thread yourself! Sue, check this out! My magic in action! What do you think?
I think you've got something wrong. I asked for weaving, not for the ducky on the circle.
Most likely my ducky took the magic wand to play with! Then again, abracadabra! Now it's definitely ready! Sue, is this what you wanted?
Yeah, thank you! And it seems to me that your ducky won't give up. Look at your head!
Oh my feta, get off me! We still have a lot of work to do!
For the strap and the sides of our bag, we will use the same yarn with loops.
Sue, I checked your bags and I like the length of this strap. Let's do the same!
Okay, let me see. This might be about…
Sue, check this out! I brought a measuring tape. You can use it!
Actually, I can do without it. I'll measure it with the yarn, but we shouldn't forget about some margin. And now we can weave the strap and the sides of the bag.
Sue, I got something wrong! I can't do it! What about you?
I've got a braid. Looks pretty, huh? What do you think? Is it good enough for our bag?
I think it suits me perfectly! Do I look like Rapunzel?
Yeah, a lot. But we're not making a Rapunzel wig here. It will be the La Fan Fan bag, remember? So now I'm going to expand the strap because one braid is not enough. Hey, Sammy, wake up! Look what I've already done!
Oh, I'm not sleepy at all.
Check this out! The strap is almost ready. As for me, I think it is very beautiful.
It looks great, but when will you attach the strap to this piece?
Sammy, you're in such a hurry! I need to go through this side as well. Sammy, your ducky and her friend La Fan Fan are waiting for you. Get up!
Is my bag ready? Can I see it? Where did you put it?
The bag is not ready yet, but its strap and sidewalls are done. Take a look and tell me your opinion.
Oh, you made a great duck scarf! Maybe we'll make a La Fan Fan face on it?
A scarf? That's interesting. What else could it be?
The swing! Hold it and I'll swing! Woo! It's so funny!
Yeah, that's right. Get down. I need to sew the two ends of our scarf. Where are the threads and a needle? Yeah, here's what I need, and it fits the color. We need to carefully insert the thread into the needle, and don't forget to make a knot, guys.
In the meantime, I'll take this! It's so soft, it will make a great blanket!
Sammy, give it back! I know that you're impatient, but let's just get this over with.
I was just kidding! These will make great trampolines!
And I have this. Now we should put all of the pieces together. That's what we'll do next. In order to finish our bag quickly, let's work together. Watch and repeat after me. We need to close the side of the bag so that the loops don't cling to anything.
Yeah, I got that! Here, and there! We'll thread the loops one into the other!
Check it out, Sammy. This is what it should look like.
Sue, I did it! I'm the greatest crafter! I did everything as you said!
That's great! Now I'm gonna put the strap and the circle together.
And I will protect you so that no one distracts you from the process!
Look, Sammy, this step is done now. What do you think?
Good macaroons! I think I'm gonna faint! How long should I wait for?
And you're right. Let's speed up. That's better. Now we should attach the second circle to our strap in pretty much the same way.
My time has come! I'm going to speed up the process!
Well, that's great. I'll clean up a little bit then and wind up the threads.
Check it out, Sue! I've done everything! Is our bag ready now?
Not quite yet. First, we'll secure the loops here with hot glue. We also need a tight bottom for our bag. Felt is a perfect choice.
Let me check it out. It's a great bag. I'll put all sorts of small things in it.
Yeah, I like how this bag turned out too, but it seems to me that something is missing.
You're right! Look at the picture! We need the cheeks, the eyes, and the beak!
And I just happen to have the right color yarn for the cheeks. But we don't need the loops this time. Whoosh! Let's make the cheeks. I'll just finish up this spiral and then attach it to the bag.
I have a hammer! Give me those pieces! I'll nail them!
Stop, Sammy! No hammers! You can break the bag this way. We had better use some hot glue. Can you please make the beak?
I had the same thought and you already have it done! Here you go!
Thank you, Sammy! What would I do without you? Your help is invaluable.
Let me see what else is missing! Ah! That's better!
Oh, Sammy, you're a magician! You managed to make the perfect eyes! But I also know a couple of tricks. And whoosh! And here's the little bow.
Great! Sue, I want a bow like that too! Will it suit me?
Let's see! It suits you well, but I'm still gonna attach it to the bag. I'll make the same bow for you later. And this is it! Our La La Fan Fan Duck style bag is ready! Aw, just look at this perfect bag! And from this side as well! Amazing!
Right, Sue! Well done! Now spin around so that bag is clearly visible!
Guys, take a closer look at our bag in the shape of La La Fan Fan Duck! Phew, Sammy, I'm tired! Anyway, did our subscribers like this bag?
You have no idea how much! Everyone wants the same bag now!
That's a thought. Maybe I should keep this one for myself then?
Hey, this one is mine! Mine! I won't give it to anyone!
Guys, what do you think about our bag? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel! Bye!